Our friends at the Brennan Center have done some research, however, on what has happened since Shelby County was decided. And they report 103 restrictive voting laws in 31 states since that decision. During the 2024 legislative session, 291 restrictive bills were introduced in states across the country. And when people go to vote this November, in 28 states, they will be facing voting laws that they did not face in the last presidential election, voting laws that restrict their right to vote. But with the courage and conviction of our clients, of the communities that we serve, and of our colleagues in Congress, we are still winning. We have won a new district in the state of Alabama that will allow black voters the opportunity to elect a candidate of their choice. We did that. We have won another congressional district in the state of Louisiana that will allow black voters to elect a representative choice. We did that. We are winning. We have passed state voting rights acts across states in this country when the Congress would not do it on a national level. We did that, and we will continue to do it. But we still need more protections, and so that's why we're here today. We are here to demand that the John R. Lewis Voting Rights Advancement Act, the Freedom to Vote Act, the Native American Rights Act, and D.C. statehood get passed in the next Congress on day one. That is the mandate that we are issuing today. And our wonderful congressional leaders, Representative Sewell, Representative Sarbanes, and Senators Warnock and Klobuchar and Morelli, they cannot stand alone. Every single member of Congress has a duty to this country to pass this package of legislation. And I will say that Thurgood Marshall gave us a mandate many years ago, and that was to guard this democracy not just for ourselves, but for future generations, for the cohort of young voters that will be the largest cohort of young voters that this country has ever seen this upcoming election. He told us, this is your democracy. Make it, protect it, and pass it on. And that's what we are doing with this package of legislation that we are fighting for, and that is what we must demand of Congress at every turn. Democracy will not die on our watch.